What if I told you that you could start today with zero skills, zero money, and build your first $10,000 online using just one free AI tool? Sounds crazy? Let's make it real. Step 1. The tool, ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT. Yes, the free version works perfectly. This is your personal money-making machine. You don't need to code, you don't need fancy gear, just an internet connection. Step 2. The service, selling content creation. Businesses desperately need blogs, emails, and product descriptions, and they pay $50, $100, even $500 per project. Use ChatGPT to generate content in minutes. Quick example. Write a 500-word blog post about the benefits of yoga for beginners. Boom, you have a ready-to-sell article. Step 3. Where to sell. Free platforms. Next, head over to Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups. Create a simple profile offering content writing services powered by AI. Don't say you're using AI, just focus on fast delivery and high-quality writing. Step 4. Pricing strategy. Start with lower prices, around $20 to $30 per article. And once you get a few reviews, raise your rates. At just 1 to 2 gigs per day, you could easily make $100 to $500 daily. And yes, that's real math. Step 5. Scaling to $10,000. Now the secret to scaling. Batch your orders. Set aside 1 hour daily, generate multiple articles at once, and automate your delivery. After 30 to 60 days, you can easily cross $10,000 in earnings without burning out. No startup costs, no degrees, no need to show your face. You're using a free AI tool to create digital products that businesses already need. This is modern money-making made simple. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe to AI Income Lab, because every week I'm dropping fresh AI side hustle ideas you can start today, even with $0.